Brookline, Massachusetts, Public Works Permit Bond. What is a Public Works Permit $5,000 bond? A Public Works Permit $5,000 bond is a financial guarantee required by the town of Brookline for certain construction projects or activities that may impact public infrastructure. Essentially, it serves as a form of insurance to ensure that the town is financially protected in case the permit holder fails to fulfill their obligations related to public works projects. Why is it necessary? The requirement for a Public Works Permit $5,000 bond is primarily aimed at safeguarding public assets and infrastructure. Construction activities, such as excavation or installation of utilities, can potentially cause damage to roads, sidewalks, or other public amenities. By mandating a bond, the town ensures that there are funds available to cover the costs of repairing any damage caused by the permit holder. How does it work? When applying for a public works permit in Brookline, the applicant must provide a bond in the amount of $5,000 as part of the permit application process. This bond is essentially a contract between the permit holder and the town, with the bonding company serving as a third-party guarantor. If the permit holder fails to complete the required work or causes damage to public infrastructure during the construction process, the town can make a claim against the bond to cover the cost of repairs or completion of the work. The bonding company will then investigate the claim and, if deemed valid, provide compensation to the town up to the bond amount. Who needs to obtain the bond? Any individual or entity undertaking construction activities that require a public works permit in Brookline may be required to obtain the $5,000 bond. This includes contractors, developers, utility companies, and homeowners planning significant renovations or construction projects that may impact public infrastructure. To learn more, please visit swiftbonds.com.